Hello friends, today we are going to learn the extra question answers of chapter number 18, Wastewater Story. Question number 1, which of the following is wastewater? Answer, part D, water coming out of a laundry. Water coming out of a laundry is wastewater. Wastewater is generated in homes, industries, agricultural fields, and in other human activities. Wastewater is rich in leather mixed with oil, black brown water that goes down the drains from sinks, showers, toilets, laundries, and is dirty. It contains a lot of impurities and is unfit for human consumption. Question number 2. Sewage is mainly a dash. Answer, liquid waste. Sewage is mainly liquid waste. It is the waste water containing both liquid and solid wastes produced by human activities from homes, industries, hospitals, offices, etc. It majorly consists of water which consists of dissolved and suspended impurities called contaminants. Sewage contains various contaminants including disease-causing bacteria and other microbes. The wastewater and feces from homes and other buildings are carried away by sewers. Question number 3. Which of the following are the products of wastewater treatment? Answer, part C. Both biogas and sludge. Biogas and sludge both are the products of wastewater treatment. In wastewater treatment plant, the wastewater is passed through screens and then is allowed to settle down in a large tank. Semi-solids such as feces that settle down during wastewater treatment are called sludge. This sludge is removed using a skimmer and then is transferred to a tank where it is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria to produce biogas. The biogas produced in the process can be used as fuel or can be used to produce electricity. Question number 4. Open drain system is a breeding place for which of the following? Answer, part D. All of these. Open drain system is a breeding place for flies, mosquitoes and organisms which cause diseases. The wastewater from sinks, toilets, laundries, showers goes down to the drains. The sight of an open drain is disgusting. The situation worsens in the rainy season when the drains start overflowing. So it is better to keep the drains closed. Thus it prevents the breeding of disease-causing organisms. Question number 5. Water polluted by various human activities causes a number of waterborne diseases. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Answer, part C. Asthma. Asthma is not a waterborne disease. It is caused by polluted air. Cholera, typhoid, dysentery are caused by polluted water. The consumption of polluted water leads to these diseases. Also, the contaminated water leads to the growth of harmful microbes, flies and mosquitoes, which results in the spreading of these diseases. Question number 6. Pick from the following one chemical which is used to disinfect water. Answer, part A. Chlorine. Chlorine is the chemical used as a water disinfectant. Water disinfection is done to remove impurities and microbes from water which is obtained from the wastewater treatment plant before it is released into the distribution system. The addition of chemicals like chlorine helps to remove these impurities and microbes and make the water fit for human consumption. Question number 7. The system of a network of pipes used for taking away wastewater from homes or public buildings to the treatment plant is known as sewerage. The system of a network of pipes used for taking away wastewater from homes or public buildings to the treatment plant is known as sewerage. In other words, sewerage is like a transport system that carries sewage from the point where it is produced to the point of disposal, that is treatment plant. The network of big and small pipes are called sewers. Question number 8. Which of the following is a part of inorganic impurities of the sewage? Answer part C. Phosphates. Phosphate is an organic impurity of the sewage. Sewage is a complex mixture containing suspended solids, organic and inorganic impurities, nutrients, saprotrophic and disease-causing bacteria and other microbes. The organic impurities include human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, urine, pesticides and herbicides, fruits and vegetable waste. The inorganic impurities include nitrates, phosphates and metals. Question number 9. In a filtration plant, water is filtered using layers of. Answer part D. Sand, fine gravel and medium gravel. In a filtration plant, water is filtered using layers of sand, fine gravel and medium gravel. The process of filtration allows water to flow through a filter made of layers of sand, fine gravel and medium gravel. Filtration is carried out to remove the suspended impurities from water, and it makes the water clear. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a source of wastewater? Answer part A. Sewers. Sewers are not considered as a source of wastewater. Homes, industries and hospitals are considered as sources of wastewater. Sewers are a network of big and small pipes that carry sewage from the point where it is produced to the point of disposal, that is, treatment plant. This network of big and small pipes forms a transport system called sewerage. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.